This is my 2003 GMC Envoy 5.3 engine, 238,000 kilometers or about 148,000 miles. It's got piston slap. Now we're inside right now and it's very quiet. You can't hear it, but if you go outside and it's been running warm and it's hot, this is what you're going to hear. And if we listen under the hood, there's a lot of other mechanical noises there, the fan and belts and stuff, and it's not as noticeable, but you can hear it. You can hear it from here easily outside.